Everyone's talking about ChatGPT. But there are AI tools out there quietly making people $300 to $500 a week, no followers, no face, no budget. And the best part? Hardly anyone is using them yet. In this video, I'll reveal 6 secret AI hustles for 2025 that you can start today, even while you're working a 9 to 5. Don't miss number 5, it's pure passive cash. Welcome to Hustle with AI, your shortcut to earning online with automation and zero fluff. Hit that like button, and let's turn AI into your new side hustle partner. 1. AI cold email writing for businesses. First up, offer AI-powered cold email writing services. Use tools like Lavender.ai or SmartWriter.ai to write high-converting cold emails that get clients. Businesses are hungry for leads and hate writing emails. You can charge $30 to $150 per email sequence, and ChatGPT plus Lavender does 80% of the job. Perfect for freelancers or agencies. 2. AI Shorts Translator. Got language skills? Offer AI Shorts translation services. Use V.io, Captions app, or Rask.ai to dub trending shorts into other languages. Channels are going global, and they need translators with speed. AI lets you deliver 10x faster and earn $10 to $20 per short. 3. AI Flashcard Creator for students. Students are addicted to flashcards, but hate making them. Use ChatGPT plus Anki plus Canva to create stunning digital flashcard decks. Sell them on Gumroad, Etsy, or your own site. Hot niches: nursing, medical, SAT, GRE, coding. Bundle 100 cards, price at $9.99, and scale. 4. AI Social Media Template Packs. Social media managers love Canva templates. But you can go one step further, create AI-generated template packs using Canva Magic Design plus Copy.ai. Bundle post templates, captions, hashtags, and sell to coaches or creators. High ticket, $29 to $99 per pack. 5. AI Resume plus Cover Letter Kit. Job seekers spend hours tweaking resumes. You can build a side hustle by offering custom AI-generated resume plus cover letter kits using Kickresume, Rask.ai, and ChatGPT. Charge $50 to $100 and deliver fast. Bonus: add LinkedIn profile optimization as an upsell. 6. Sell AI-generated mind maps. Mind maps are back, and they sell well. Use Whimsical.ai or MindMeister plus ChatGPT to create academic or productivity-focused mind maps. Topics like productivity hacks, startup ideas, or exam prep are in demand. Turn each into a PDF or PNG and list on Etsy. Bonus: AI tool setup services. If you're good at learning tools quickly, turn that into service. Offer done-for-you AI setup packages. Example: set up Koala plus Canva plus Pictory for a beginner creator. Charge $50 to $200 per setup. Use Loom or Zoom, no face needed. That's 6 untapped AI hustles you can launch this month, no experience needed. Which one will you try? Comment below, like this video, and subscribe for weekly tools, hacks, and tutorials. Your AI side hustle journey starts now.